wonderful can that be? Oh, he doesn't want that. Okay. Wait. Hey, never take a Bavarian beer. Oh, that's what he wants. Beat a horse here. That's what happens when you don't beat them here. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed that little skit. Amboss, celebrating the blacksmith.